How's it going, everybody? Here to open a 2024 Bowman Blaster box. Couldn't find these anywhere at Target. I went a few times. Nothing. So I just ordered it online from Target. Yeah, my local Targets are ass. So I might need to start going to Walmart instead. Maybe Walmart stocks their stuff better. I don't know. But, yeah, my local Target is ass, so. And I don't want to pay for a hobby box of this, so. We're going for blasters. Alright, let's see how we do. I want to say last year I pulled an auto, or was that the year before out of Bowman? Nobody like big or anything, but there we go. Austin Wells rookie. So here's the Bowman design this year. Pretty solid, I would say. Not like terrible or anything. I think it's a nice design, good borders, simplistic, you know. I dig it. Novelli Marte, who is suspended. Bobby Witt, having a good year. Francisco Alvarez. Samuel Zavala, top 100. Don't know who that is. Brock Porter, Bonilla, and then we got Josh Rivera and Luis Guanipa, Braves. Bruce Bowman. Oh, that's the Ellie rookie. Let me try to keep rookies separate. All right. Okay. Chris Morrell. Gunnar Henderson. There we go. We got a Judge card. Keep that to the side. We've got Johan Rojas, rookie. Juan Soto. There we go. A Yankee uniform. There we go. All right. Owen White. Ethan Salas. Don't know what this is called, but it's an insert. I don't know what it's called, but it's an insert. Douglas Glod. First Bowman. Jacob Gonzalez. Brooks Lee. And then Antonio Anderson and Homer Bush Jr. All right. Oh my gosh. Shohei Ohtani. Quinn Priester, rookie. Fernando Tatis. Francisco Lindor. Jazz Chisholm. Moogie Betts. Prospect Power Up. Bryce Eldridge. Oh, look, it's like a pinball machine. Tony Blanco Jr. Diego Benitez. Cole Young. And then the Chromes, Robert Callas and Luis Acuna. Luis Angel Acuna. There we go. All right. I think that's his first card on the Mets, but I could be wrong. All right. A few more packs. Are we guaranteed a green parallel, or is that just like randomly inserted? Evan Carter, rookie. He's kind of having a slow start. Jung-Ho Lee, he's out for the year. That sucks. Riley Green. Pete Crow Armstrong, rookie. Michael Harris, the second. And then we got Yohendry Vargas. Top 100. Kyle Teal. First Bowman. Bryce Eldridge. Rock Riggio. Okay, do not know this guy. But he's a Yankee. So George Wolko. Okay. And Jackson Holiday. All right. Well, he did not have a good call-up. But, hey, yo, he's still really young. I think he'll still be a good player. But he definitely was not ready yet. So, yeah, that's how it goes sometimes. So, he's only like 20 years old, so. But I think he'll be back before the season's over. Christian Encarnacion Strand, rookie. Ooh, is that a green? Dansby Swanson. Jordan Westberg, he's absolutely killing it. Corbin Carroll, this guy is not killing it. I can tell you that. Sucks. Hope he turns it around soon. Sedane Raphael. Rookie. Rafael Devers. First Bowman. Tony Ruiz, green. Don't know anything about this guy. What is this numbered to? It's not numbered, but it is a green. First Bowman. So hopefully this guy pans out. Alright. Then the rest of the cards, we got Alan Castro, Dylan Cruz. Okay. Got that dude, Jacob Wilson, and Jack Hurley. Alright. Rookies. Dylan Cruz, that's a good one. Alright. Last pack. Let's see. Alright. Jose Tena. Is that another green? I don't know how to say his name. Slade Ciccone, maybe? Everson Pereira, rookie. Chris Bryant. Samad Taylor. Pete Alonso. Alright, let's go from the back. Just in case that's something good. Don't know these guys, but alright. Then we got a couple other cards. Samuel Basalo, Antonio Anderson, and another Jackson Holiday. Alright. What do we got here? A rookie. Mets. Ronnie Mauricio. Alright. Pretty solid. Not numbered, but it is a green. Like, that is a green, right? I mean, it's green. It's got to be green, so. I haven't seen any of these parallels yet, so. But I'm assuming this is just the green version, so. But yeah, alright. Typical blaster. Not too bad. I do have another one of these, so. Probably open it up sometime soon. Alright. Thank you guys for watching.